Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Tuya Knives Anzu. First things first, when I look at the Anzu, I really love the inlaid marbled carbon fiber that's in the titanium scales there. It looks very sleek and very futuristic. The entire knife to me looks like it's some sort of a bullet. I love the blade shape and the way that that belt satin just reflects off the light. I'm not usually a big fan of knives that don't have a blade guard here, but as you can see, there is a mill out in the handle. There is jimping on the bottom of the blade and the top of the blade to keep you dialed in when you're doing cutting. Overall, just the different angles of it, it definitely has very attractive grind lines. I love the rear jimping on the back spacer, the custom designed pocket clip on it. This is definitely a higher end EDC, that's for sure. Let's get into some quick specs on the Anzu. We have an overall length of 7.8 inches, a blade length of 3.3 inches, a handle length or closed length of 3.3 inches. We have an overall width with pocket clip of 0.7 inches, an overall width without pocket clip of 0.53 inches, blade thickness of 11 thousandths, an overall weight of 3.9 ounces. The blade is a beautiful drop point blade. It is constructed of M390. It is finished off with a beautiful belt satin on your main grind as well as the swedge. It is a flat grind and has a very nice sharpening choil. Opening methods are a generous thumb hole in the blade. It can be used with the thumb, your opposing finger, as well as a front flipper on the blade. Very easy to work. Like a rocket. Your locking mechanism is a nested liner lock. The handles are constructed of titanium with inlaid marbled carbon fiber. The backspacer is titanium as well and is negatively jimped. The pocket clip is expertly designed and is constructed of titanium as well. It is right hand tip up carry only. You can see how thoughtfully designed the pocket clip is, allowing for greater pocketing and depocketing of the Anzu. This is what the Anzu looks like in the pocket. Size comparisons with the Anzu. First up, we have the Tuya Wrath V2, and as you can see here, they are very similar in overall handle size and blade size. Next up is the Tuya Blackbeard V2 that is custom anodized, and as you can see here, the Anzu is just slightly bigger overall in handle and blade length. And in our final comparison, the last one we have up is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And as you can see here, the Anzu is actually slightly smaller in handle and blade length compared to the PM2. Final thoughts and impressions on the Anzu? I think if you're looking for a very nice premium EDC pocket knife, something that is lightweight but also has stunningly good looks, I feel like the Anzu would be your answer here. To me, it's got very nice ergonomics in hand. It's very easy to open. It just sounds really good. It flicks very nice. And just overall, I think this is an awesome knife. I wish it was mine. Huge shout out to the Apex Pass Around group for getting this into my hands. I'm very impressed by the Anzu. Good job to you on this. If you're interested in picking up an Anzu, they are sold out on the Tuya website. But very shortly, White Mountain Knives will be having a few available on their site. And if you do choose to purchase from there, be sure to use code DARKWATER to save you 10% at White Mountain Knives, as well as 10% at Tuya Knife on any other models that you're interested in picking up. Huge shout out to my anchor crew. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. If you're interested in becoming a part of the anchor crew, it's $4 a month. You get first access to videos and you have members only giveaways. Thank you so much for checking out the Tuya Knife Anzu. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on the Anzu? Thank you so much and have a good day.